Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps on how to share your location on Telegram. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Telegram app on your Android device. Step 2. Go to the chat where you want to share your location. Once you're in the chat, locate the link icon and give it a tap. Step 3. A menu will appear, and from there, select Location. This will allow you to share your current location with the chat. Step 4. Finally, tap on Send My Current Location. Telegram will then send your precise location to the chat, allowing others to see where you are. Sharing your location on Telegram is a great way to let your friends or family know where you are or to meet up with someone easily. And that's it. You've successfully shared your location on Telegram. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.